Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video as a last week weekly recap. It's 1 p.m. today, Sunday, and I have to make it quick because I have to do a webinar at 4. So let's get started. The week started on the last Sunday, right? That was second. And you can see this Euro USD. The entry was even a Friday before that. That was like 31st January. Right, so entry was there, and Sunday market opens up, and boom, it went down big time, right? So this is how I got lucky, and 145 pip right here in Euro USD. It is based on, I have the chart Euro. For example, if I show you this, like this Euro USD, I'm watching this one, but this drop here, it happens, but now it start to bounce. So be careful. This area may give us a bounce here because the USD is getting weaker, and this thing gonna go up, right? So this is one thing, and then Euro USD and similarly Pound USD did the same thing because USD got strong, and boom, it went down. Both Euro USD and Pound USD. This is 140 pip on the second, which was Sunday when the market opened up. Then obviously when USD getting strong, what happened to USD yen? USD is on the left hand side, so this pair went up big time here from here, and this entry was also last Friday, which was January 31st. The market opened up and boom, it went up, right, for 80 pip. And then on the third, the next day, Monday, real trading start, and here 60 pip Euro Aussie to the downside, beautiful entry by the book. On the third, Euro Aussie again. This was let me see, this same chart. I mean, I recorded twice, I guess, by mistake. This was a 60 pip, and then it went down even more for 75 pip, and that's where I probably closed. Yes. Now Pound Aussie also 7-minute chart, and the 55 pip to the downside on the third. This trade is based on, let's say, for example, I had made this chart here on the 2nd February that we are all the way up to 78%, and we're going to be dropping here. So from here to here, you can have several trades. As they come along, you can take the entries. But the idea is that you have the analysis that this is what's going to happen. Then you can just simply take the trades. Right. So Pound Aussie 7-minute, I got it, and I took the trade to the downside here. And now this is gold. Gold is been going to the upside. My chart for gold was this, that it is going to drop here somewhere, and then from here it will go up for wave 5. And that's exactly what happened. So we start to take the long entry here, this one, then this one, 130, went up all the way to the, now this one is Nasdaq. Yeah, okay, this one is Nasdaq, and there was another one, gold one. I don't know where it is. Anyway, so this is how now the Nasdaq going to the upside. Nasdaq chart taking long trades basically on the back of this chart. Let me show you if I have it here. This one, see Nasdaq. This was my chart made on the January 11 that we're going to be going to the upside. So for now, right now, we are here somewhere. So we went up, and I took all the, Sonata trades long, and I took some short too, and it was all the way up, and start to retrace, and I took those entries as well. So yeah, now this one is Nasdaq. Then gold keep going up again, right? 300 pip here. On the third, Euro yen coming down 85 pip, and then Pound USD after dropping, then start to go up, retracing on the next day on the third, and 100 pip from there. And Nasdaq again going to the upside, 260 pip on the fourth. Gold going to the upside again, one more entry, 130 pip to the upside, the fourth. And this was, gold, and then Pound yen after going up, then it start to come down here on the fourth, 110 pip. Most of the pairs, like, trending up, not trending, basically up and down and up and down. So you're going to catch those small moves. 85 pip Euro yen to the downside here. Well, thanks to Trump, tariff on, tariff off. That's what he's playing game. Market up, market down. That's what's happening. So if you have a good system, you can trade both. So USD yen, again, yen got started strong and sending all yen pair to the downside. So Euro yen, Pound yen, USD yen, all going down. And gold keep going to the upside, right? Crazy. And the Nasdaq keep going to the upside, crazy. I showed you the chart because based on this, Nasdaq is supposed to go all the way to the upside. And so whenever I got the up move, up long setup, I just simply take it because up like going up is like 80% chance going up, and then 20% chance. So if like something like this, like all the way up, then it start to retrace like this retrace, and I take a small short as well. Then again, going to the upside, the big one. Now euro yen again downside 95 pips from the 20-minute chart on the fifth go. And Euro USD after that big drop, it started to go up and 100 pip here. Pound USD doing the same thing, going to the upside, 95 pip on the fifth. Now pound yen, again, yen start to get strong and still getting strong. So be very careful, right? So on the sixth, it came down, it went up, then it started to come down here a little bit, and then boom, it went down. There was a news, by the way. So pound Aussie, again, this is the second entry from that drop, that the one right here, right? So 7-minute chart is small entry here, and then from here to here all the way. I got that, and we are right now here somewhere at the 23% line. We are sitting here right now. All right, so okay, this one, pound Aussie is done. Now gold, now after going to the upside, it start to retrace, and this is how. The third, so it's like A, B, C retracement. I caught this C wave drop here, nice and clean. And then right here, it ended, right? There was like A, B, C right here. It ended, and then right from there, I got long. Usually, I don't take any trade from this 500 box size chart. But this one, I was so sure that I said, let me take it from here and see what happened, because the gold was like keep going to the upside powerfully, right? So after the retracement, exactly at 61% and 161 of this move to the upside, extension 161, and from here to here, 61%. I said, well, that's a good move here. And look what happened, 280 pip, right? And then this one, pound yen going to the upside from 7-minute chart for 105 pip. And this one, gold again going to the upside. That was the big move to the upside. Then again, retracement going to the upside, and I got it here again on the 7th. And this one, pound yen going again now to the downside, 90 pip. And euro yen again, big time going to the downside, 90 pip. 7-minute chart, it looks like a big trade, but it's not. It's like 100 pip. Gold now, the last day on the 7th, after hitting the all-time high, it started to drop. Right, and now we're sitting here in gold. And the last one, I said, let me try. My son Omar, he told me that it's a good setup, Dad. You want to take the US30? Usually I don't take it, but I said, what the hell with it? So I dropped my EA, and EA took the trade. Right, so 210 points so far. Right, so once you have a setup, you have a 90% chance. 80%, I would say that it's going to work out. Only 20% chance that it will not work out. And if it's not work out, let's say my entry is here, my SL is always high, right here, to this high. So as soon as it goes up, boom, close very quickly. But if it goes in my way, then you can see what happens. So all the trades like that. See, my entry is here, my SL is right here, right? Just above that, the high or the low at the time of the entry. See this here? Entry is here, SL is right here. When it moves a little bit more, then my SL comes and sit on a break even. Just like here, entry here, SL was here, and it moved down a little bit, and my SL come on and break even. Here's the same thing. You can see that right after the entry, price never go back. If it goes back, then my SL hit definitely, right? So, and then that's SL on the 7-minute chart is only 15 to 20 pip, and the 20-minute chart is only 25 pip. So if I'm wrong, just for example, I took this one, right? It went up and it came back. I moved my SL a little bit, so I lost 15 pip coming down here. So what the hell with it? And then from here, okay, no problem. So lost 15, make 105. That's the game. That's the math. Here, never look back, right? Similarly here, see, never look back. Here, never look back. So these are the entries that you want, right? For example, if I had this one here, right, and it dropped here, I didn't move the SL. I didn't know at that time. I wasn't there, so it came back down here, and then boom, 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 boom. Now here, this one, see this one? After that, never look back, all the way down. Here, long entry, never look back. So if it goes back, like for example, I took the entry here, price comes down and hit me at break even, no problem. The next entry, take it and then go to the upside. So this is the power of the system and my CTS, the robot, the EA. It does that automatically. Here, if you have, like take long and you set up the pips to break even around 25 pip or 20 pip, it goes up, and as soon as 20 pip positive, the SL will move to break even. And when it hit and you're out of the trade, and then the next entry, the same thing happens. So it goes like 20 pip here, SL move to break even, and it continue to go to the upside, even positive. That's how the system works, right? So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is what happened last week. Very good week, and I'm hoping the same this week again, because Trump is doing this, whatever it is, and the market has a big volatility right now, and so things are moving up and down, and you just have to be careful that where the turn is coming and just take the trade. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is it for now, and I'm gonna go and prepare myself for the webinar. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.